Good afternoon, traders. This is my January third week in review. We just finished the third week of January, and I'm going to talk about the month overall, how it's going, what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong, and what I plan to change for the fourth week of January. Today is Friday. It's 2:24 p.m. I'm going to release this video tomorrow, so happy Saturday. So this week was a rough week for sure. I am down. This is my actual P&L. I'm down $9.93. I have a little over $500 in the account, so that's, a pretty big number to be down. And if I would have done everything right, meaning holding to 2R and stopping out at 1R, which I think I pretty much did this week. I think the reason why these numbers are different is due to slippage, and then there was one day where Webull was glitching and I didn't realize that the price had gone down below my stop. By the time I exited out, I accrued a lot of slippage, so that's why that number is so different. And then there are some trades this week that I took that I shouldn't have, and I always call those yellow trades. So I removed those to see where my P&L would be if I did everything right according to my plan and my strategy, and I'd still be red on the week. So to me, that says that, this was going to be a rough week no matter what. But because of my own inability to follow my plan and my strategy exactly, I almost suffered twice the loss that I needed to. So that's on me. This is my plan and my strategy and the result that the market gave us this week, basically. So overall this month, I am now down. I'm red $3.60, which stinks because I was up green before this week. But a lot of it is really kind of my fault from the first week. I took a lot of good trades in the first week, or I should say that a lot of trades worked out in the first week, but I was weak-handing the first week of January. I was weak-handing a lot, meaning that I was scaling out way before 2R, just, not doing what I'm supposed to be doing. Because you can see that if I would have taken the exact same trades and stopped out at 1R and held to 2R, this is what my P&L would have been the first month. I guess there were some risky setups that I took, and that's why, without the yellow trades, that number is a lot lower. But still, it's better than I did on my own, just, scaling out and all of that. And I still would be green on the month, considerably, versus where I actually am without the yellow trades through the past 3 weeks. So this is a reflection of the performance of my plan and my strategy, considering what the market has given us this month so far. And this is a reflection of my ability to follow the plan and strategy, right? So I'm only red not because of my plan and strategy. I'm red because of mistakes that I made and not following my plan and my strategy 100% of the time. So that's what that's all about. And then there's some other useful information here. Right down here, I've collected data. I need to update this because this does include this week. My P&L for the pre-market, which was much higher than this before this week because I've had so many red trades this week. It was over $15. Now it's $9.57. So still green, even considering how rough this week has been. And that's out of 22 trades. And the intraday, I'm still not having any luck. I'm working my plan and my strategy, but still coming away red. So I may get to the point where I only trade pre-market. I'm not going to really trade after hours anymore, at least for a while, because I just find it very difficult to pick the right stocks because you can't organize the screener by volume. It doesn't show you the volume of the after hours. It shows you the volume of the day and the pre-market. So I'm avoiding the after hours for now. That's why that number is so low. And I think starting next week, I might just do pre-market trades only next week. I like the idea of that as well because I'm always trading. These are from 4 a.m. to 4:30 a.m. and I'm done trading for the day. I have a lot of other things going on in my life, that require a lot of my time and attention. And it would be really nice to just be trading during the pre-market, get it out of the way, and then not come back during the intraday. I kind of just I've been doing that to see how things go with my plan and my strategy, but it's not really working out so well, at least not this month. So I don't know what this number would be. I didn't calculate it to the point of, like no yellow trades or something like that, but that it might be different. But anyway, this is what's happening so far in January, and next week I'm not going to be changing too much. I'm just going to keep doing the stopping out at 1R and trying to take profit at 2R thing. Just try to stick to my plan and my strategy a little bit better than I have been. Although every week I'm getting better at it. You can see there was only 3 yellow trades this week, so that's a sign of me doing better with my plan and my strategy. And you can see in the previous weeks there was a lot more yellow. So that's it for me for this week and for the 3rd week of January, and we'll see you guys next week. Hopefully the market works a little bit better with our plan and strategy next week. We'll see what happens. It's been crazy. I mean, there's been a lot of stuff going on in the news and politics, and that always has a bit of an effect on the stock market. But I just continue to trade my plan and my strategy. I know over time that it works, and these numbers here are proof that if I just follow my plan and my strategy, that I will remain green even though the market is pretty choppy. I'm only red because of my inability to follow the plan and strategy 100%. So that is the main message here. Come up with a good plan and strategy and then just practice following it 100%. That's all we can do. So see you guys next week. Have a great weekend. Hopefully this video was helpful.